All right, here we are at Foodtown, West Palm Beach, Florida. If you're looking for something a little different, something maybe from home, we've got a lot of ethnic food, a lot of different styles. So come check it out. Let me show you around. So if you live in South Florida or you're visiting South Florida and you're looking for halal food or Arab food or something like that, meat is definitely the hardest thing to find. So stop in the meat section with me and I'm going to show you what they have as far as selections go. It's one of the only places in the area that you can find this. You got beef, chicken thighs, chicken legs. A lot of chicken today. Looks like a lot of the meat is sold out. Ground chicken. But if you turn around, there's also a lot of frozen meat. You got whole legs of lamb here. Goat. For anybody so inclined, brain. I'm not a big fan of brain, but if you like it, here it is. And everything here is halal. And feet, we definitely have feet. Anybody who likes to eat karain, this is your place. You're gonna get it here. Get the feet, make it at home. If you like oxtail, we got oxtail. And again, the beauty is it's all halal. If you're looking for turkey, you got a whole turkey right here. Definitely something to spice things up. If you need a duck, we got whole duck as well. Whole duck, $21. Not bad, considering that you can't find it anywhere else. I think a duck anywhere else, you probably pay a similar price. And then quail legs. If you like quail, not a whole lot to eat on there, but we got quail. All right, we're here in the Arab food aisle. A lot of variety, a lot of things to check out. Let's see what they got. We've got all our baking products. I think they even have halal gelatin here. So if you're making something that requires gelatin, you can find your halal gelatin. Definitely hard to find around here. We got our jellies. Oh man, anybody from Morocco out there? You probably recognize this one, Aisha. This is one of my favorites, strawberry. Let's see. Yep, straight from Meknes, Morocco. What awesome flavor. Imran Imports. Thank you, Imran Imports. Got a few varieties. Got the hoch, you got the apricot. And I didn't see these before. We got the you got the preserved lemons, the hamad msayr. These are amazing. Cooking with these, cooking chicken with these, it's an unbeatable flavor. Unbeatable flavor. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, tea. We have tea. We have sultan. Ooh, and then my personal favorite. My personal favorite. The old Sabah 4011. This is the best green tea, maybe not in the world, but the best green tea that I can get here. One of my favorites in Morocco. This is amazing. Definitely try this one. Brew yourself a pot of tea. Make it with the 4011. You won't be sorry. And to be honest, it's at a reasonable price. $10.79 for a half kilo of tea. I think that's a good price, especially if it's an import. You know, it's almost like a luxury item. You brought it from Morocco, you want it, and you finally found it. I'll pay $10.79 for it. Got some of the other necessities. And this is a new addition right here. We got the, if anybody recognizes these, give us a comment, give us a little shout out. Henry's, I think some people pronounce it Hernes, but we got it here. I haven't seen it here before. I think they just brought it, and let's see how it does. Let's see if it's a big seller. But hey, I know a lot of people grew up with these. Comment down below. Let us know what you think of the Hernes cracker. Maybe how you used to eat it, how you remember it. We got a good variety of couscous. They're missing a couple kinds. They used to have the, I think it's called the Tria brand. That one was good. Doesn't stick together when you cook it. We got olives. Let's see what we got for olives. Nothing too impressive yet. What is this right here? This looks like a big bag. Oof. Oh, yeah. Product of Morocco. I love that. Black olives. I'm not a huge fan of black olives though. In all honesty, I prefer the green. But hey, you know what? We got some Moroccan olives. Those are some of the best in the world. Absolute best in the world. What about olive oil? Sometimes we're surprised we get some good Moroccan olive oil. It can be hit or miss. It can be hit or miss. A lot of times we got Turkish, maybe some Tunisian. Sometimes you'll find Wedsus. Sometimes you don't. It doesn't look like we have any good olive oil today, but Foodtown is definitely a good place to stop in and pick up some olive oil if they have it. So that's what we got. You know, if you're in South Florida, stop into Foodtown. I didn't show you everything, but there's definitely a good variety of things, especially if you're not going to find what you want at a local grocery store. Definite variety. So I showed you the Arab food aisle. A lot of good things there, especially if you're Moroccan. You might find a few surprises. But drop some comments below and definitely subscribe, because I'm always dropping videos about what's new, what's helpful, what's good to know if you're in the area. We're going to see you in the next video. for any of my Indian friends out there, I didn't forget you. Check out the Indian aisle. A lot of spices, a lot of rices, a lot of everything that you need to cook. Let me show you what we got. You buy in quantity. We got the big bags at the bottom. Now, I don't know what the prices are in other parts of the country or other places. Drop a comment down below if you can give me an idea about, hey, is this a good price? Are we paying a fair price down here? Oof, goes on forever.